All right, looks like it's recording.
Feels like it zoomed way the hell out. But hopefully I can trim it back in. Okay, so in progress. Currently in the pan are onions and peppers sauteing this first step. Also, the brown rice is on, and I had to debone my chicken, so I'm trying to make a little bit of chicken stock out of the skin, the cartilage, and the bones that I removed, and a little bit of meat I just left on. All right, I did a little more shopping. Got some measuring cups and spoons, and got all the herbs organized. Got a pound of black beans for 95 cents, a pound of lentils for $1. I got a kilo of brown rice for $1.70. And I got 2 pounds of some raw brown sugar. I forget how much it was. Well, let's just say it was cheap. I also got some chicken. The chicken breasts are running $2 a pound. So I got oregano, I got rosemary, I got cumin, I got sage, I got cayenne, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, bay leaves, curry. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna cook something good to eat here in a bit. Okay, so here we go. I'm about to dice up some cloves of garlic, a hot pepper, and some ginger towards the chicken curry I have cooking. As you can see down in there, the onions are getting ready to get translucent and browned, along with I have some, how do you say, peppers. Yeah, I have peppers in there too because I really like them. And I got my brown rice going. It's been on for about 20 minutes or so, so it's about halfway done. And I'm also making some chicken stock from the waste of the skin and bones I removed from my chicken breast. So here we go. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, a big 3. Yeah, I like curry. Need my cinnamon. Paprika, paprika. Alright, ordinarily I'd leave sugar out. Since you guys are watching, I'll one nice big bay leaf, make it easy to find, pick out later. I might measure more stuff. Alright, this is coming along pretty good. I think it's getting close. The pepper needs stirred some. Yeah. So the onions are getting really close. It's time to stir this in. Probably not the fanciest way to do it. So I'm stirring in all the spices. Get a good idea what it looks like. Yeah, this ain't the greatest camera setup, but it's what I got left after the flood. what I have on my, have with me. And it's mainly because I was taking most of this gear back to the Yokoei for a secret season, which of course never happened because I was trapped in my cove for weeks. All right, this got to be stirred about 2 minutes, give or take. Yeah, I have more things to add in. All right, need 200 milliliters of this. So, what does they say? 200 milliliters of this. Coconut milk. A little bit of cream slipping out, doesn't matter. All right, I need to add my chicken. Now I'm adding the chicken. All right, and now it's going to be simmering for a while. So this will simmer for 25 minutes after it comes to a boil. And I will be adding the juice from this lemon at a later stage. So I just brought this to a boil, set it down to simmer, and set the timer. It's got a little less than 25 minutes to go. The rice is getting really close. I think it's got about 5 more minutes. This is brown rice. It cooks longer than white rice. Also, I'm at a much higher altitude, so recipes vary and often take more time because boiling water isn't 212 degrees here. It's a little bit lower temperature. The kitchen's doing pretty good. There are some dirty dishes clean up from this. There's a few that are already dirty, not many. Going to use this cayenne pepper and lemon in the final stage. And I'm having a tasty beer because, hey, Julia Child got to drink wine while she cooked. I'm drinking something lower octane. I think it's fair. Recipe actually calls for half a lemon, but since I'm hand squeezing it, I'm going with the whole one to try to get it right. So, there we go. Yeah, it might get a few seeds in there. I really don't care. Stir that around. Then we need roughly a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. It's probably not enough for me. I did put some hot peppers in there, so it might average out. If not, I'll add more afterwards. Mix it up good. Try and get this sucker out before it becomes a problem. Okay, I still got to put some more lemon in there because I got it. You see, we're getting close. Time is going off.
that off in a minute.
So it's gotta go about 2 more minutes. Let these flavors all meld nicely, especially the cayenne that I just put.
So it's the final stage. It's only got 2 minutes to go. It's basically done. And then I'm gonna plate it. The other GoPro timed out. It was shooting at a higher resolution, so I'm hoping that I can zoom and crop the edit to get a better view of what's really going on. We shall see when I process this. I don't know. You're watching it now, I suppose, but I don't know how it's going to turn out at this point. Although I do know the food's turned out really nicely, and I'm going to enjoy eating this and turn off the alarm. Yep. And the 2 minutes of simmer time is pretty much over, to be real. Do a little more heat. So that's about a wrap. I'm going to munch down on this. And if I don't shoot videos of the final plating, maybe you'll see it on Facebook. All right. Turn that heat off. Fluff up the rice a little bit. Oh, the rice looks pretty wonderful. I like brown rice. It kind of has a nutty flavor. I can even smell it. And we'll get some of this chicken curry on here too with the brown rice. Oh yeah, man. I'm not sure I could eat like this if I went and paid. So there's the close-up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I reckon I should do a taste of it before I put this camera away. Oh, the veggies are really good. Oh yeah, that's some really good chicken curry, along with some peppers and other veggies. I like a lot of veggies in my curry. I like a lot of veggies in most things. It is really good. You should give it a try. I'll try to post the recipe online, maybe in the description on YouTube here, and definitely over on Facebook at some point. Peace out for now.